Because these parties today, who make so much of noise, they did not let him live in peace. They rigged and rigged and rigged and pushed him out of the mainstream space. We believe in the dignity of the people in J&K, which we believe is compromised, which we believe needs to be brought at par with the rest of the country. देखिए बात यह है कि मेरे फादर जो है वो असली मेन स्ट्रीम पॉलिटिशियन थे. आई स्वेयर आई विल इंक्रीज माई वोट बाय एटलीस्ट 10 to 12%. मगर हर चीज़ मेरी बेचने के लिए नहीं है. अनलाइक उमर अब्दुल्ला, तो मैंने नया सुना है कि मैंने कुछ वर्कर्स को भी मारा. दिस इज व्हाट फारूक अब्दुल्ला सेड yesterday in Karna, day before yesterday. You know, I with all humility, I will never announce, but with today, I think it's an impossibility that there could be any other.
Sajjad Sahab, with such a huge gathering in Baramulla under the party founded by your late father Abdul Ghani Lone, do you miss your father today?
Yeah, I do. This is all his assets. These are all his work. He did not. He only struggled because these parties today, who make so much of noise, they did not let him live in peace. They rigged and rigged and rigged and pushed him out of the mainstream space. He would have been a proud man had he seen a sea of people, in fact a tsunami. And I'm so happy and so thankful to my people.
Sajjad Sahab, you fought parliament elections in 2019 as well, and today again in 2024 you are in race. What is the difference between 2019 and 2024?
You see, the accusations are similar. Accusations by our rivals are similar. They have nothing positive to defend, and they are accusing a person who is literally a newcomer in mainstream politics. But our objective is very clear: development and dignity. We believe in the dignity of the people in J&K, which we believe is compromised, which we believe needs to be brought at par with the rest of the country, which is not a lot that we are asking for. We are just asking that treat us in the same manner. And these are many things. There are police verification certificates. There are many other things that when our Kashmiris go outside our state, outside J&K, the way they are treated and other things. So we want Kashmiri youth to live in peace. We want the era of FIRs to end. We want a new beginning. A new beginning would mean starting from scratch.
Is this something that you will take to the parliament if you win this seat?
I promise you that if we win, the first speech that will make Kashmiris proud in the entire history, parliamentary history of J&K, Kashmir vis-a-vis Delhi, would be my speech. I will never ever, I'm not a person who will buckle down or try to make a compromise. You know, I'm known for speaking my heart out. And if I go there, I'll speak my heart out.
Sajjad Sahab, do you think everything is normal in Kashmir post 5th August 2019?
No, I wouldn't. I'm saying it would be very dangerous to all of a sudden give a clean certificate. You cannot. Some parts of it might have attained normalcy. There are yet others, many others, which have yet to attain normalcy. So I would have thought that it is an evolution stage.
You are contesting against a former chief minister who is being backed by the Congress. Is it a challenge?
The people here, that's what matters. I've seen a sea of people. He should be worried, not me.
उमर अब्दुल्ला, मैं उमर साहब की एक रैली में था कुपवारा में. उन्होंने कहा पूरे कुपवारा में पीसी के बैनर लगे हैं लेकिन लोन साहब का फोटो किसी भी बैनर में नहीं है. एंड ही टोल्ड पीपल दैट जो इंसान अपने वालिद की इज्जत नहीं करता है तो वो आप लोगों की क्या करेगा. आपका क्या रिस्पॉन्स?
देखिए बात यह है कि मेरे फादर जो है वो असली मेन स्ट्रीम पॉलिटिशियन थे. सक्सेसिव रिजीम्स ने जब रिगिंग की एक बार तंग आकर उन्होंने क्विट की मेन स्ट्रीम पॉलिटिक्स. एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू बायकॉट पोल्स. When he died, at that time, he was not a mainstream politician. He used to boycott polls. So I want to respect his memory that he would not fight polls. I fight polls. That was my decision, right? But I should not use his photograph. I also know that if I just use his photograph, I swear I will increase my vote by at least 10 to 12%. मगर हर चीज़ मेरी बेचने के लिए नहीं है. Unlike Umar Abdullah, neither am I on sale, neither is everything that I have, that is dear to me on sale.
सजाद साहब, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ. Umar Abdullah, who has always been in power with BJP, who has seen power with BJP, as you rightly said some time back that he was the minister with the BJP. Why do you think that despite being in power with the BJP, he keeps on claiming that Sajjad Lone is a proxy of BJP?
You see, first of all, problem is with the media. How can somebody be a proxy of a party which does not even have 1% vote here? अगर मुझे proxy बनना है किसी का तो उसका बनूंगा जिसके 10-15% वोट हो. वोट उनके हैं नहीं बेचारों के. It's a good thing. they have an anti-Muslim image across the country. So paint a person with an anti-Muslim village, keep on lying and lying and lying, while as in the evening, in the nights, go there, beg them that please let me go in, bring in the old era, इसके workers को उठवा दो, इसको ऐसा कर दो, ये अलबर्क वाला है, ये फलां वाला है, ये तो इसका बाप मिलिटेंट था, ये खुद मिलिटेंट था, अब तो मैंने नया सुना है कि मैंने कुछ workers को भी मारा है. This is what Farooq Abdullah said yesterday in Karna, day before yesterday. So they are stooping as low as one could. But I'm just taking it lying down. I say, fine, let them do it. तो क्या हुआ? I mean, say, these people don't believe him. Nobody believes them.
सजाद साहब, नॉर्थ कश्मीर में सबसे बड़ा मसला क्या है?
You see, North Kashmir mein to be development mein neglected hai totally. In the sense, it's one of the most beautiful spots that you have. But literally zero has been spent on tourism. I would have thought it should become a haven for horticulture and all forms, not just apples. I would say walnuts, almonds, cherries, kiwi fruit, and also a haven for tourism. These two things together could actually mean that 50 to 60% of our GDP could come from there, and employment could 60 to 70% could come from there. I think that way it's very neglected. We need huge amounts of cash to be invented in these sectors.
One last question, Sajad Saab. Do you think that the people of North Kashmir will vote for the change, and will you win this seat?
I think, I with all humility, I will never announce. But with today, I think it's an impossibility that there can be any other result.
Thank you so much, Sajad Saab.
ನಾನು ಆಪಲ್ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅವನೇ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರು. ಓಲ್ಡ್